Santander Connect allows you to make a range of same-day and future-dated domestic and international payments quickly and easily. To make a payment, select the Payments tab. The Payments tab is where you can manage all of your payment activity. The most commonly used payment services are displayed on the Payments homepage. Other payment types and payment facilities can be accessed from the left-hand menu. To make a faster payment, simply click Standard Payment. Your preferred debit account and today's date will automatically be populated to save you time. Enter the amount of your payment and any payment references. You can easily select one of your favorite beneficiaries or type in new beneficiary details. Then enter a beneficiary reference for your payment. Once all details are entered, select Make Payment. You will be asked to review the payment details entered before confirming your payment. Once confirmed, your payment will need to be authorized. Bulk payments allow you to make large volumes of BACS or faster payments with ease. You can manage your bulk payments using the options here. To create a new bulk payment, select Set up a new bulk payment. Simply select a debit account and input the payment details. Bulk payments can be kept confidential, so only certain people are able to see the payment details. Great for payroll or supplier payment runs. You can select as many beneficiaries as you like by using the drop-down or the search features. For each beneficiary, you have to select a payment amount and payment reference. Press Continue to make the payment. Once confirmed, your payment will be received and will be ready to be authorized. You can easily find payments made using the payment summary or making a specific search inquiry. The payment summary shows a snapshot of all your outbound payment activity in a single place. Select the payment volume to see the payment details for each payment type and payment status. You can also search for a payment by payment type or by payment status. This allows you to search for specific payments you have made. To authorize a payment, select Authorize Payment from the Payments homepage. You can authorize payments individually or in bulk. Simply select the payments you wish to authorize. Then use your security device to authorize any payments. Once authorized, a summary will be displayed showing that your payments are now being processed. Santander Connect Plus makes it easy to import and manage payment files. You can import thousands of payments with just a few clicks. Simply upload your payment file and select the file type. Press Go to import the payments. Once authorized, Santander validates the payments in your file, giving you confidence that your payments are correct. Once validated, your payments will be ready to authorize. Help on making or importing payments is always available from the Connect Help Center.